Good morning, traders. This is John Paul, daytradetowin.com. Just finished a webinar at Traders World. I'll post it on the blog where I did a presentation with NinjaTrader. And I just opened up my charts here to see what I missed, and I just missed a nice little short here on the Atlas line for 13.1750. It is a ways here from the entry. See how far away that is? So I'm not sure if I would have taken that, only because it is far away. Usually the way that I look at it is if it's double the ATR, let me just add the ATR here. If it's double what the ATR is, it's typically already gone its move or run its course. So I'm not going to think about this short trade here at 13.1750, but I may have here a nice little trade setting up as a strength trade. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. And just about a minute before this candle closes, let me take a look at yesterday. Let me show you yesterday on the E-mini S&P. Yesterday was May 16th. And there was a long trade here that really didn't go anywhere. It went up a little bit, but nothing major here. And then you have here this nice short trade. Now this was a very nice trade to take, as well as everything that came. You have pullback trades, strength trades, strength trades, strength trades, pullback trades. It was a great day to just keep on hitting it to the short side. Remember, if we're below the Atlas line, then that's my direction. I just have to wait for the setup. All right, so here is, let me just take a look here. This did not set up as a strength trade. So unfortunately, at the moment, I don't have another trade. There is a filtering mechanism here that takes place to make sure that this strength trade or the pullback trade should be taken. And so this did not activate. So even though it may go down, I don't have a trade on the Atlas line as of yet, except for the initial 13.1750 right here. All right. So I showed you today, May 17th. This is yesterday, May 16th. And let me show you the day before that, which is May 15th. I think I did a webinar here on May 15th. First trade of the day did not work. Second trade of the day was good. For a nice long here, 13.38 quarter. Short trade here was I believe it was a 2-tick loss, and then you had here the long trade, which made up for it. If you have any questions, email me. I'm going to see if I can get a trade here out of the Atlas line. If not, I'm going to be looking for the at the open. Let's see what the at the open is doing here. At the open already gave me a short here. I couldn't take it during the webinar. So this is a nice at the open trade, at the open short trade. Confirmed it with the Atlas line, so that was a nice run. You know, there was actually a news event trade here at 8:30, which was this one here. 8:30 right here. And so I'm looking to go short right over here. If you haven't watched how I trade the news, this would have been a very nice little short trade here off of trading the news. All right, traders. So there is a pullback short trade, as you can see right over here, to go short the market. Let me just turn this on here. Okay, and the Atlas line, let me expand this here just a little bit here. And so the Atlas line is up here. I know the direction. The direction I want to take is short. Here's a short trade. I have my stop, my prove it stop just above there. I have my profit target right there, just about 5 ticks, 4 to 5 ticks usually on these pullback and strength trades. I would have loved to take in some of these strength and pullback trades here, but there is a filter that I teach, and the software also includes that no pullback or strength trade is taken unless it's lower. So I couldn't take a trade there, but I have one here. Let's see what happens with this short at 13.14 My exit is 13.13. All right, guys, here we go. Just about there. Just one more tick. One more tick. And let's see what happens here. I'm expecting to get this. 4 to 5 ticks is what I recommend. If this does not get my the price that I want, I will move this to 4 ticks. So how?
Target filled.
Right. Okay, so there you go. Nice big strong move. It's a pullback trade. I teach it along with the Atlas line. It's all based on price action. We're short for the day. All right, we have a strength trade here. It's a follow-up. Just another trade here. We had a pullback. Now we have a strength. 13,
Order
13, 10. See if I get
Order
this here.
Order filled.
All right, 13.10, going for 4 ticks. 13.09. This is a strength trade. Just had a pullback just prior to it. And now there is a strength trade right after that. Let's see if I can get this. 4 more ticks. All right, so attacked my price and just filled me there at the 4 ticks. So just to recap for today, I started out here with a short, which I wasn't able to take. There's an at the open trade here as well. The pullback and a strength trade I was able to take. And right about noon Eastern Standard is really where I like to call it a day, because I can expect the market to bounce off of the A section. There's an ABC method that I teach. If you haven't seen the video, please check it out, where I expect really now price to